Welcome to Incredible Moments, where animal moments turn into the most heartwarming stories. Here, every glance and every move they make brings a smile, moves us, and surprises us. Let's explore this colorful world together. I actually cried. I felt so bad for those last dogs. This is the most beautiful slice of life that anyone would want. Just when the battle heated up, a feline warrior dropped from above with unexpected reinforcements.
Muchas gracias, afición. Este para vosotros.
Rule number 1, never turn your back on the opponent. The girl braces herself as Moody the mare tries to bite. These birds didn't choose to fight fiercely. Instead, they found a true partner. Rather than compete, they woo. Smart or just hungry? This sea lion in Cabo San Lucas MX boarded a fishing boat because it knew the good stuff was at the back.
Sorry.
God bless this man. Who's voting for the cat to be the next pope?
Huh?
You think a sofa is for sitting? Not to a cat, it's a top secret bunker.
Huh?
Oh my gosh, the ultimate battle between one hyper dog and one fearless green parrot.
Cuidado, cuidado que te queme agarrar del mango.
That man just worked double, let him have some TV time. These birds chose companionship over fierce competition. With a scream like that, I'd run too.
Go.
It really makes you realize big cats are just that, big cats.
Go.
Hey.
I bet that gorilla learned this from tourists.
Did you?
The dog's enjoying Grandpa's retirement too. Did you know mealworms can eat plastic? No joke. Watch this video to find out.
Belalang kupu-kupu.
A mother's ability to care for literally anything is amazing.
Mari minum cucu. Minum cucu, minum cucu.
A sea lion in Cabo San Lucas, MX jumped on a boat because he knew food was waiting inside.
Hey, get out of there. Hey, no, that's not yours.
Every waking moment with a puppy is sweet.
No. Get out. No, please get out.
Agora não tem como errar, Jô. Sai esse vídeo, Logan!
No.
It reminds you big cats are still just cats, only larger.
Se mordió. Se está mordiendo.
Ven, oso.
Items like our buddy Simba here don't even let me place an order. To play with.
Hey, tuan kedai.
While the whole family naps peacefully, I'm left behind as the unwilling shop clerk on duty.
Apa ni? T-shirt.
Chimps usually aren't kind to humans, so these two must have done something right because this one's genuinely happy to see them. Credit to them for staying calm. They're just animals. No matter how frustrated you get, don't take it out on them.
Play dead. Hey. Play dead.
When the actors weren't even acting.
That was good.
Play dead.
Oh, man. Yeah. There
Play
you
dead.
go. Oh, buddy.
NANI?!
He's trying to impress his girlfriend with a smooth landing. Clearly, she's not impressed. Among rows of neat king penguins, one stands out, with its wild, messy feathers. For it, it's just another ordinary day. That man just did double the work. Let him have some TV time. An octopus adjusting the camera to get a better selfie. I love the way the dog looks at the camera like, did you see that?
Oh, no, 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 no.
You'd tell me if you were lying.
Not figure you for the jealousy.
Oh, I'm not.
Sabrina.
Which you do, by the way, witches and warlocks alike. You're an equal opportunity flirt. And that's fine, Nick. But I'm going home. Oh, and sorry, but I don't think I can be your magician's assistant. Be an arm candy?
Stop. Stop that. No. Pat, Fedor.
See, the problem is right here, the topinator.
Stop, that's a plug. Go. Go play. Oh, give me that spark plug.
Of course, it's a boxer. When you're born a pigeon, but raised in an entire duck family. Have you ever seen anything cuter than this?
Oh my gosh, we're matching. We're matching.
The girl wore black shoes with hoof-like grooves. The deer must have thought, wait, are you one of us?
Oh my god.
A brave little parrot and a super well-behaved pup, barking but not biting. Both are perfect. Sorry, but this just looks too tasty. Mind if I try a bite?
No, 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 no.
This parrot is way too curious. Oh, natural sunscreen. Hope the pup lands safely. Squirrel, hey, you're not trying to eat my leaf, are you?
I can still see you.
This guy really thought hiding behind a tree would cover up that round belly.
Camouflage.
That's the face of someone who's tired of being the good boy every single day. He jumped like it was straight out of Tom and Jerry. One second he disappears with a rustle, and then ta-da, he reappears looking like he just found buried treasure. This seagull might look greedy, going for a whole starfish, but don't worry, it's natural behavior.
F is for friends who do stuff together. U is for you and me.
Honestly, it's more pleasant than that raspy laugh we've been stuck with lately. She genuinely tried to cuddle a wild baby deer like a Disney princess.
I know.
Oh my god.
You're okay. It's okay.
Oh wow, he really likes human food.
Hey, something traumatic happened that changed my life.
Get back!
Hey, no, baby! Oh my god!
So,
Ever wondered how fish sleep? This video's got the answer.
No, do it. Let him pet him. Let him.
I love how the raccoon almost ignored the blatant disrespect, but then changed its mind.
They will. Look, he just has to. Yeah.
That no came from deep in her soul. Look at that judgmental glare. This dog is like a strict babysitter watching over these two girls. That anger feels just like when you stub your toe and yell at the table. This is me every time mom says, no, you don't need that.
Ew, he's ugly.
Woman, I didn't say anything. Llama, you know what you said.
You just said he's ugly.
표정이 왜 이래? 아니 가까이 오는데.
100% rage, 0% damage. POV. Your friend shows up with a surprise buzz cut.
Go, give it to me. Try to give it to me again. Try to give it to me again.
what are you doing?
Whoa.
He was definitely told not to take candy from strangers.
What are you doing?
Honestly, it sounds just like a squeaky door hinge.
You have made my life complete, Jen. I don't know how to thank you.
Snacking is a temptation I simply can't resist. Sometimes I forget just how big rats can be. It's like a giant furry potato.
Hi, baby.
Today we learned what a giggle sounds like.
I get your feet. I get your feet. I get your feet.
That's water-repellent duck down, but all I can think of is romantic wet hair in a beach movie scene. Hello, Internet. Welcome to the bottom of the ocean. Today we're gonna hey. Inside a kangaroo pouch looks a lot like a $12,000 week NYC studio.
What are you doing in there?
He doesn't think he's beautiful. He knows he is. Free head cleaning service. His eyes look like they've seen the darkest horrors of the universe.
Look what I've just found here.
He craves beaks because he's a mole.
Mole. He's trying to take to my hand. Look at the cute little mole.
Wow, she's seriously talented. He's swiping through apps like an old man. Best feeling ever, warm inside, cold outside.
Okej, ska få sova lite.
Am I the only one waiting to see if the cat blows out the candle? This is exactly me deciding to grab a snack at 3 a.m. The dream landing on the bed became a painful crash into the bed frame.
Hey! 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 Hey!
It's not official until I get here. The birds outside are having a morning battle royale. This is exactly the kind of video the internet was made for if you need a dose of joy in your day.
This hat is mine now.
Among rows of neat king penguins, one stands out, with his wild, messy feathers.
Can I have my hat back? Please. Please, man. I'm going to give you back.
Oh. Baba Guan?
It's just leaky, man.
Clearly, she was not impressed. The girl braced herself as the moody mare tried to bite. Is this elephant simply asking for a ride from tourists, or is he plotting something else? While the whole family naps peacefully, I'm left behind as Rule number 1, never turn your back on the opponent. I truly cried. Is this elephant simply asking for a ride from tourists, or is he plotting? While the whole family enjoyed a nap, one poor fellow was left. While the whole family enjoyed a nap, one poor fellow was left. Thanks for watching. If you love incredible animal moments, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Incredible Moments so you never miss a new video.
Let's go!